As Greg Hayes, CEO of Raytheon Technologies, once remarked, operational excellence is not just about improving manufacturing processes. It is about instituting a culture of continuous improvement wherein the organization's people, processes, and technologies work harmoniously to deliver optimal business results. One embodiment of this culture is the practice of total productive maintenance, TPM. What is total productive maintenance? TPM is an innovative approach to maintenance that focuses on proactive and preventative measures to maximize the operational efficiency of equipment. It involves a shared responsibility for equipment maintenance to ensure optimal machine availability. The 8 pillars of TPM. For a deep understanding of TPM, one must grasp its 8 foundational pillars. With roots back to Japanese industrial practices, these pillars form the underlying structure of a successful TPM program. Autonomous maintenance, empowering operators to take care of their equipment. Planned maintenance, scheduling routine maintenance to avoid downtime. Quality maintenance, ensuring equipment produces to the desired quality standards. Focused improvement, utilizing teams to solve specific issues for continual improvement. Early equipment management, designing ease of maintenance and efficiency into new equipment. Training and education, equipping employees with the skills and knowledge needed to execute TPM. Safety, health, and environment, ensuring operations are safe and environmentally sound. TPM in administration, extending TPM principles to administrative functions. Why implement TPM? TPM yields a variety of benefits. By fostering a culture focused on continuous improvement, it enables businesses to stay competitive in a rapidly evolving market. Here are some key incentives to implement TPM. Increased equipment availability, TPM minimizes downtime by emphasizing proactive maintenance. Improved operational efficiency, a successful TPM program leads to streamlined operations and reduced waste. Enhanced quality, TPM reduces defects and rework, thereby improving product quality and customer satisfaction. Cultural transformation, TPM fosters employee empowerment, collaboration, and a culture of ownership and continuous improvement. Implementing TPM. Effective TPM implementation requires strategic planning, thoughtful execution, and ongoing support. Here are steps to guide successful TPM implementation. Leadership commitment and alignment. Secure top management's commitment to the initiative and ensure alignment of TPM with the company's strategic management objectives. Education and training. Equip the workforce with the necessary TPM knowledge and skills. Pilot implementation. Begin TPM implementation on a single piece of equipment or in a particular area, and gradually expand to other areas. Expand TPM program. After successful pilot testing, expand TPM to other areas and institutionalize it across the organization. Continual improvement. Monitor progress, benchmark against industry standards, and relentlessly pursue operational excellence. Overcoming TPM challenges. Despite myriad benefits, TPM implementation is not without its challenges. Key among them is driving cultural change, shifting from a reactive to a proactive stance on maintenance. To overcome resistance, prioritize clear communication about the benefits of TPM and involve all stakeholders in the process. Align TPM initiatives with overarching business goals to ensure they're seen as crucial to the company's success, not just an additional task. An organization may also struggle to measure TPM success due to the varied nature of its benefits, ranging from tangible cost savings to intangible culture shifts. However, a robust set of metrics covering equipment effectiveness, resource utilization, health and safety, etc., could effectively quantify TPM impact. Leveraging digital transformation for these measures could enhance reliability, accuracy and timeliness of data, facilitating better decision-making and performance management. As the global business environment continues to become more complex and competitive, TPM provides a key lever for companies to unlock efficiencies and drive operational excellence. Embedding TPM into a company's culture delivers an effective competitive advantage, one that ensures equipment reliability, improved safety, better product quality, and a more engaged and empowered workforce. So, embrace total productive maintenance and drive your business towards a more efficient, productive, and competitive future. After all, as Jennifer Morgan, former co-CEO of SAP, once said, In a rapidly changing environment, change itself becomes the norm. The last thing any business can afford to do is stand still. Want to learn more about Total Productive Maintenance? We have included links to Total Productive Maintenance resources in the description. Also, download presentations, templates, and other best practice tools on Total Productive Maintenance from Flevy.com.